Now talking about the basic layout types. Here, student, you can see there are 4 types: product layouts, process layouts, fixed position layout, combination layouts. Let's go one by one. Product layout. This is for repetitive processing. Product layout is the layout that uses standardized processing operations to achieve smooth, rapid, fast, and high volume flow. Students, if you look at this picture, you can see here in this factory, there are 4 stations, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Raw materials for customer come on the left side. Go to station 1. We may add on some more raw materials and or labor. Then move to station 2, 3, 4, and then in the end we get the finished products. Here, students, you can see the term standard processing, meaning we have only one route or one path. Every product must go to the same steps like this. And product layout is used for repetitive processing. So product layout matching with repetitive process and continuous process. Product layout, good points. High rate of output. We can produce many outputs per unit per hour, per day. Low unit cost because we produce big volume. Labor specialization. Each worker don't need a lot of skills to do their jobs. High utilization of labor and machines equipment, meaning our workers and machines equipment are always working. How about bad points? For example, like create do repetitive jobs. For product layout, each job can be boring and workers may quit the jobs. Very inflexible to changes in volume, a product or process design. So if we want to produce faster, we cannot adjust the layout, cannot adjust the machine. Or you want to change the product design, we cannot change so much, quite inflexible. This picture is the U-shaped production line. It's one example of the product layout, but instead of a straight line, we use a U-shaped line. There are some benefits comparing to a straight line product layout because it saves the space. So workers and machines or vehicles, workers and vehicles can move from one side to the other side. Some more benefits, the worker can do more jobs on both sides. Second layout type is the process layout. This is for non-repetitive processing. It's a layout that can handle varied processing requirements. So what does it mean? Varied processing. Students, look at this slide. You can see we have 6 departments, A, B, C, D, E, and F. So the concept of process layout is we will put similar machines in the same department. Like for example, Department A, we put only cutting machines. Department B, we put only washing machines. Department C, we put only labeling machines, and so on. Like if you look at the product, one product, the dark blue color, here you can see it has one route and it passes 4 departments. So we can create one product. Another product, the green color, root. So it passes different departments. So we can create another product. Then the blue color, you can see it has another root. So we can produce another product. So that means the layout can handle varied processing requirement, meaning we can have many routes, many paths. So we can produce variety of products. And look at the bottom. Process layout, it is used for intermittent processing, meaning not smooth processing. So process layout is matching with job shop and batch processes. How about the advantages of process layout? Can handle a variety of processing requirements. As you can see from the previous slide, there are many paths, many routes. So we can produce variety of products. Not particularly vulnerable to equipment failures. It means if some machines are broken down, we don't need to stop the whole factory. We don't need to stop the whole production. General purpose equipment is often less costly than the specialized equipment used in product layout. Meaning for process layout, we use general purpose machines which are cheaper than the specialized machines used in the product layout. Bad points. The in-process inventory cost can be high because when you can see from the slide we have many routes. Sometimes it can be traffic jam, and then the in-process inventory can be high. Equipment or machine utilization rates are low. In other words, some machines will not run all the time. It can be less than 50% utilization. The third type, fixed position layouts. It is the layout in which the product or project remains stationary and workers, raw materials and machines equipment are moved as needed. As you can see from the pictures, like when we build the dam or when we make the ship. So we use the fixed position layout. And the fixed position layout is matching with projects. Combination layouts, the fourth type. In the real world, most manufacturing layouts and services use combination layouts, like can be combined product layout with process layout or product layout with fixed position layout.